Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 132nd episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Bible Diary 2023, Salesian Publications Hyderabad and Church Art Kolkata. India, 11 children from dysfunctional families take dream flight to meet celebrities in Mumbai. Brother Banhun Lang Lingdo reports.
Some children of Don Bosco Ashaliam, Kolkata, got a chance to fly to Mumbai and meet with Bollywood celebrities and soak up sights and sounds of the maximum city from 12th to 13th November 2022. The Confederation of Indian Industries and Young Indians made it happen for 11 children and 2 staff members of Don Bosco Ashaliam. The children met Team Young Indians at 7:30 a.m. in Kolkata Airport, a first-time entry for all of them. From then on began the awesome experience with the wonderful world of glamour, magic and speed. Besides sightseeing in Mumbai, children met with Bollywood film stars like Ajay Devgan, Sonu Sood and Anupam Kher. While Mr. Sonu Sood told children that happiness, satisfaction and success enriched them from within, Mr. Anupam Kher advised children to dream big and work hard to fulfill the dream. As the children felt wanted and attended to, they also learned that many people in the world are genuinely good and kind. Now the children are enthused to fight their way up in society as they see themselves as capable with lots of possibilities.
Brother Banhun Lang Lingdo reporting. Vietnam General Formation team member from Rome visits formation communities. Father Augustine Phuoc reports from Ho Chi Minh City.
Member of the General Formation team from Rome, Father Joe Scutiani Matarhin, visited formation communities in the Salesian province of Don Bosco, Vietnam from 11 to 17 November 2022. Formation communities include Philip Rinaldi Son Hiệp Theological Community, Artemides Jati Tanha Community, Dong Rua Dalat Post Novitiate Community, the Sacred Heart Novitiate Community, and Dominic Savio Prin Novitiate Community. Before returning Rome, he also visited the provincial community and the community of FMA sisters in Tamha, Thủ Đức and Ho Chi Minh City. At each formation community, Father Jones held 2 meetings, one with the young conference in initial formation and another with their formators. Father Jones expressed satisfaction as seeing communities of formation integrated into communities with active apostolates.
Father Augustine Folk reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Shillong. India, green champs of global north-south challenge climate crisis. Father Ricoporoyan reports from Coimbatore.
The students of Don Bosco School of Excellence, Coimbatore, and Norbert Gymnasium, Dormagen, Germany, joined hands to learn and to take up challenges to combat climate change. The eco-clubs of both the schools had one-day workshop on climate justice and 2 days of virtual interaction on climate crisis. They drew up Challenge Days plan, pledging to change their behavior in favor of the environment and reducing carbon footprint. On the final day, the two schools virtually met again and discussed about the impact of the green exercises and evaluated the entire exchange program. The green champions are now determined to be active ambassadors among their peers and families. The exchange program was jointly organized by Don Bosco School of Excellence, Coimbatore, Don Bosco Mission, Bonn, and Kaveri, Trichy, all members of Don Bosco Green Alliance.
Father Ricoporoyan reporting. East Timor ADMA Group holds 3 days National Congress. Father Jolino Vieira reports from Fatumaka.
The Association of Mary Help of Christians, or ADMA, of East Timor Vice Province held its third National Congress from 18th to 20th November 2022 at the National Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Fatumaka. The Congress focused on the theme Like Mary, We Walk with Jesus. Among the 350 participants, there were 106 members who made their promise and received the medals as permanent members of ADMA. The speakers at the Congress included Salesian Sister Esmeralda Suarez, who spoke on the Strena of Director Major, Do Everything Out of Love. Second speaker, Salesian Father Apolinario Neto, spoke on the Salesian Family Charter, highlighting unity, belongingness, and family rooted in the love of God and neighbor. The third speaker was Salesian Provincial Father Anacleto Pires, who discussed the topic of ADMA's identity and mission. During the Congress, there was also the election for the new structure of leadership for 2022 to 2026 with 52 voting members.
Father Jolino Vieira reporting. India Salesian College alumni hold free health checkup camp for poor women and children. Executive member Elma Zareen reports from Siliguri.
Event heads of Gift of Smile program organized a free health checkup camp in collaboration with Lions Club of Siliguri Sargam on 19th November 2022. Doctors in attendance were Dr. Ravi Shankar Agarwal, consultant physician, and Dr. Nimisha Agarwal. The camp consisted of general checkup, dental checkup, and diabetic monitoring. The doctors not only examined students, faculty, members, and staff but also gave valuable insights on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. All the children and parents who visited the camp got free health checkup and food packets with juice. Camp concluded with Lions Club members and doctors being felicitated by event heads with mementos. Last month, alumni organized Gift of Smile Part 1, where the members collected funds and distributed clothes, stationery, and food items to unprivileged children and people to mark Puja festival.
Elma Zareen reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.